Email marketing for beginners. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy based on informing and engaging potential customers and turning them into buying customers. Email has existed since the very beginning of the internet. Some claim that marketing with email is no longer very effective, maybe even dead, but nothing could be further from the truth. There are more than 3 billion email users in the world. Studies show that email is more effective for businesses than other popular and hot strategies like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Where email marketing is incredibly effective is return on investment. One recent study showed that for every $1 spent on email, $44 comes in sales. That's an ROI of 4,400%. Global surveys show that 1/3 of marketers say email is the number one tool in their marketing toolbox. What makes email so effective? Studies show that most people have to visit a website 5 or more times before they buy anything. If a brand new customer lands on your website and leaves, they're likely gone forever. But if you get their email address, you can build a relationship with them and potentially sell to them for years to come. And once you've built a list, it's yours. It doesn't matter if Google changes their algorithm or Facebook shuts your ad account down. You can still sell to your email list. So, what is the best way to use email effectively to grow your business? It doesn't matter if you're involved in affiliate marketing or selling e-commerce products. You can't just hammer your customers with sales and product promotions. That's a great way to have low engagement and unsubscribes. It's important to build a rapport and relationship with your subscribers. People buy from sites and businesses they trust. So, you have to create trust in order to make sales. What are some ways to build trust? 1. Value. Again, you don't want to be selling in every email you send out. Strive to educate your readers about your products and subjects surrounding your business. You'll likely be rewarded with higher open rates. 2. Email regularly and often. Whether you email once a week or every day, set a schedule. Don't just send emails out randomly and haphazardly. If you send your content out on a consistent schedule, readers will grow to look forward to seeing your name in their inbox. 3. When people sign up for your list or newsletter, create an initial sequence. A sequence is a number of pre-written emails that each new subscriber gets. This can be a series of 3 or 100. It's really up to you. But the great thing about this sequence of content is that you write it once, but then you can use it over and over. Potentially for years. 4. Be conversational. There's no need to be overly formal in your emails. Email is very personal, because it's usually an individual who is reading it. Talk to your readers like you're talking to an old friend. This will help to build trust. If this sounds like a lot of work, it can be. But it's work that will pay huge dividends in your business. The good news is that there are lots of tools available to make the work easier. Software can segment your list based on all your buyers, people who haven't bought anything, or even people who have purchased a specific item from your store. And your sequence, the initial set of emails you send out to your subscribers, can be set up on what's called an autoresponder. An autoresponder automatically begins the sequence when a person subscribes. This will save you a tremendous amount of time and trouble. Trying to do all of that yourself would be very troublesome and waste valuable time that could be used in other aspects of your business. There are a number of email marketing programs out there. But the one I recommend is GetResponse. GetResponse allows you to create marketing campaigns and manage sales by using a drag-and-drop newsletter editor with ready-to-use templates. You can use their built-in conversion funnel, an all-in-one tool, that can help you promote and sell products online. You can create automation workflows to create a process that reflects your customer's experience. And you can test out your marketing strategies with A/B testing newsletters and landing pages. To get started with GetResponse, check out the link in the description box. And be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel.